Because you're in for one wild ride. Sean D. Tucker winds up his plane and lets it fly, spiraling across the sky in his signature figure. This one's called the Centrifuge. Pulling 8 positive G's, going 280 miles an hour. Folks, you're watching one of the 25 living legends. Returning to the sky, pulling 10.5 positive G's there across his body. This guy is tough. Snaps on the downline. This air show is the final time this plane fly above the skies of Oregon before the Smithsonian takes it and hangs it in their museum in 2021. Front flip across the sky, end over end, making it look easy, folks. Take your friends and family in 2021 to the Smithsonian and you'll see this plane. Presented in the all-fly gallery. Turning to the sky for another original maneuver. Little tumble at the top, starts as an inside. Hanging from those shoulder straps, feeling all that blood rush to his head. That's the hooey loop. Pushing it again right now, returning right across Airshow Center. And notice, folks, just check out that runway in front of you. Each set of those poles stand 18 feet off the ground. And in a few moments, he'll attempt to slice all 3 of those ribbons. Right now, not just one hammerhead, but 2 hammerheads. That's the double hammerhead, right in the center of the box. Ribbons in one single pass at 3 separate flight attitudes. You don't want to miss it, and you want your cameras ready for that. Now the year was 1972, and Charlie Hillard pulled this one out, one of Sean's mentors. The torque roll, you'll notice right now Sean flies his plane up and now flies his plane backwards, getting up to 100 miles an hour. Mick Minville, what do you think so far of Sean D. Tucker? Okay, folks, this is that moment that Sean is now ready to attempt to slice all 3 ribbons, but first, as a mark of precision, he'll try to duck underneath that first ribbon without slicing it. And he's going to do that in just a few moments once he makes sure with the wind against the altitude at that very low altitude. Sean is now ready to attempt to slice all 3 ribbons in one single pass at 3 separate flight attitudes. Ready or not, Big Benville, here we go. Sean lowers his altitude, 220 miles an hour. Knife edge through ribbon 1, left knife edge through ribbon 2, inverted, taking out that 3rd and final ribbon. He is pushing his limits, pushing his flying machine. He's living with passion. Let's make some noise for Sean D. Tucker. Tumbling end over then in the Jimmy Doolittle outside loop with the outside loop on the top of it in honor of the great aviation pioneer. He's ducking through that imaginary ribbon, number 3. Well, as Sean goes into his slider and salute to McMinnville and the Young Eagle pilots, let's go live into the cockpit. Sean, that was amazing.
God bless America, ladies and gentlemen. An honor it is to be here and to celebrate our freedom. To have
goodbye. But later this afternoon, you don't want to miss when Sean Tucker comes back. Esteemed aviatrix Jesse Panzer. Together they form Team Oracle, a two-ship